Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming iCloud Photos and the latest OS so AI has full access to your library. Open Photos and choose the image you want to improve. This matters because context affects AI suggestions. Tap Edit, then select the AI or Magic Editor option to generate initial adjustments. Once done, review suggested crops, lighting, and subject selections. These are automated baselines you can accept or refine. Make sure to keep the original by duplicating the photo if you want a Now you'll refine the AI's work by blending automatic edits with hands-on controls. Use exposure, color, and texture sliders to tune the mood. AI masks let you target specific areas like sky or skin. If the AI miselects a subject, tap to modify the mask or use the erase tool for unwanted objects, then restore details where needed. Once you've made changes, compare before and after to confirm the result. Make sure to save as a new version if you want to preserve the original file. Finish by exporting your final image with the right format and metadata for sharing or printing. Choose HEIC for quality or JPEG for compatibility. Once you've worked a few times, build a shortcut or smart album to batch apply AI presets and speed future edits. If the AI behaves oddly, toggle the feature off and on, force photos to reindex the library, or reset photo settings. These steps clear cached models. If problems persist, duplicate the image and retry edits on the duplicate to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.